number two. One is uploaded and edited. I want to do experiments if I could just shoot these vlogs and edits on my phone because I want to see and show you guys that it is possible to start a YouTube channel just using your phone, and that is it. You don't need anything else. As long as you have a good camera, which most phones do these days, then you're all set. So I'm gonna wear jeans today. It's kind of windy. I'm going bowling tonight, so that's why I'm gonna end the video tonight. I need to find a good shirt to wear. What about this one? And I'll wear this one. Okay, bam. Actually, yeah. But yeah, so just, you guys could do anything you guys want. So just use your phone, press the record button, and start recording, guys. It's that simple. So people have been asking me how long it takes me to do my hair when I actually do my hair. I'm gonna show you. It takes like 15 seconds. So you just gotta make sure your hair is wet a little bit, not too wet. So just get the towel. Then you get whatever shit you style your hair with, and I just use that because it's not bad. I get a tiny scoop, about that much, rub it in my hands, and just spike up my hair. Do the back, make sure it stays down. Do the sides, really not that hard. And that is really it. That's all I do to style my hair. See, it took 15 seconds. So just so you guys know, it's very simple. Alright guys, I'm getting pissed with this fucking weather that's happening. It was supposed to be fucking sunny, well, it's sunny, but it's supposed to be nice weather all fucking week. Like Sunday, it changed. Now it's fucking windy, as you can. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's getting windy, guys. I'm like getting super pissed. But I'm super excited because summer means apples. Because I do have an apple tree in the backyard. Let's see if I can find some. Okay, right here. So they're still babies, but they do get bigger. Look at my son's Nerf gun. I just got water on me. God damn it. Okay, but yeah, look at that. He's 3, and but he knows not to aim it at people. So you gotta teach him young, because the school shootings these days are getting out of control. Like the one that just happened in Texas. Like I feel bad. My prayers go out to those families. But it's just sad, guys. I'm going to show you guys a secret on how to make any sandwich better. So, bologna, put that away. Make sure you put your food away, guys. Fridge is so fucking messy. I gotta clean that shit. And then you get the Doritos, or whatever chips you like. You can also do Lay's. I prefer anything. Open the bag of chips. Get the chips. And put that shit on your bologna sandwich. You guys haven't also tried a hot Cheeto burrito? I repeat, a hot Cheeto burrito. Try that out, guys, okay? But here's my lunch, and you just, oh, that's the sound you want to hear. Then that is it. Close the bag and go eat. I just totally effing passed out. Oh my god. But the Avengers are now on. I'm gonna watch the Avengers, then I'm gonna get ready for tonight. I'm going bowling in a couple hours. Super excited because I usually win. I'll record some of it, me kicking ass, of course. But yeah, so time to watch Avengers. Sorry guys, I forgot to record at bowling. It is we started so late and it was just so busy. I lost the first game but won the second game. I got 148 the second game, so not bad, but not my best. My best is in the 200s. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.